Hello, friends. Today we are talking about the effect of our genes in the human body on our happiness. There is a direct relationship of happiness with our genes in the body cell. As we all know that serotonin neurochemical which is produced in the raphe nuclei of our brain, which is attached to the central nervous system of our body, is the factory of producing serotonin for the body. Now, which keep us healthy and happy. Now, serotonin production is controlled by our genes, right? Now, how it is happening, we are going to discuss in this video. There are chromosomes which are located in each body cell nucleus, and inside the chromosome genes are available. Genes carry information from our one generation to the next generation. Okay. For example, why a child has a blonde hair like their mother and his sibling has a brown hair like his father. Another example is genes also determine why some illnesses run through the families from one generation to other. These are all the impact of genes. Now, when our genes are into the active stage means when in the body methylation process is not happening. In our body there is a methyl group CH3, and the process is DNA methylation happens, and when it is connected with our genes, then genes become inactive, and when the gene becomes inactive in the body, then they affect our serotonin production. Serotonin production is reduced and we enter into the psychological problems. But when in our body methylation process is not happening, which means methyl group is not connected with our genes, then our genes remain very active and serotonin are produced in abundance in our brain. So our genes are greatly responsible for methylation or non-methylation, serotonin production or non-production. Now, why methylation happens in some genes? This is the responsibility of our thought. When we produce negative and toxic thoughts in our mind, then our biochemical reaction happens in the body, and methylation process become active and they attach to the gene, and thereby serotonin production is reduced and we enter into psychological issues or mental illnesses. Whereas when we think positive most of the time, then demethylation process is happening, which means our gene remains active and free from methylation, and therefore serotonin production is done in abundance and we feel very happy. So therefore, in nutshell, it can be said that our thoughts are responsible for our gene methylation and therefore serotonin production in the brain, and thereby we feel happy accordingly. Therefore, it is said that we should think positive most of the time during the day. As we all know that during the day we produce about 60,000 thoughts, and 95 to 97% thought, we either produce waste thoughts or toxic thought, negative thoughts. And all these thoughts are affecting our genes, thereby creating mental issues. So, in order to combat such a situation from happening, because negative negative thoughts are coming through the environment and we can't change the environment. The only thing is we can protect our mind from the effect of that outside environment. Meditation is a very good technique to change the thought pattern from negative to positive. Therefore, it is suggested by many people that half an hour or 1 hour meditation every day in the morning, if you learn and practice, it will take care of your thinking pattern change, and through the day you will remain happy, free of such diseases. My therefore request and suggestion is that whatever source you use, but meditation is the must. And in the today's toxic environment, it is very difficult to protect without doing this mental exercise. Thank you for now. Bye.